Make some. Hey guys, today we're gonna be making Whoopie juice. Do. A taste you'll remember.
And my first time I had cheese, Whoopie do.
Okay. Read me the first direction, man. Okay. Baking sheet. Like seriously, reading the paper. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease baking sheet or lined with parchment paper. Alright, let's go. He has a thing I can read. I just did him 5 days ago. Mom, where's the baking sheet? Dude, listen to me. No, the baking sheet. What are you baking sheet for? Alright, come here, Nathan. Bring the camera over here. Alright, now what is it?
Okay, preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Fail.
Preheat oven to 300.
Oh, wait, yeah, preheating. Okay.
Okay, next ingredient. Mix. Place Whoopie pie cake mix in bowl and break up in any clumps with a fork. Add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil.
Almost on.
We're on that one. Okay, guys, this is a new segment. Baking with Nathan and Brennan. There's also how to make a Whoopie pie, so just saying. I like cheese. Brennan went to the bathroom, so he goes to the bathroom very fast.
Bring it over here.
Okay, Zorms. It's so heavy. Oh yeah, look at that. I think you need a little more on the first one. You didn't get that good.
Just say spread.
Add 1 egg.
Oh.
My gosh, Brennan.
How are we doing it?
This
Alright,
is
what's the
how
next
we
one?
do.
What's the second one? What's the mix?
Place Whoopie pie cake mix in bowl and break up any clumps with a fork.
Alright.
I'm not girlfriend.
Pour. Bowl.
Thank you. Just pour it in.
Just put the whole thing in.
The alien stars. Bring the computer over, no more.
You're just putting the mix in? Perfect, there's only 1 fork left. Yeah. Is that it?
You have to break up a lot more. There's still a lot more. That's not coming out.
That's right, you don't need all of it to come out.
Yeah, but we want it to be the most whoopiness. Okay, baby.
Come on, before the thing gets 450. Come on.
Okay, 350.
Whatever. Okay.
Breaking the
Yeah,
clumps.
I gotta break all the stupid clumps things.
We're doing that all same. I love it up like forget you. Sorry, can't afford a Ferrari, but that don't mean I can't get you there. She's an Xbox, and I'm more retired. But if you play a game, it fair.
If that's right. Alright, Nathan, what's the next step?
Add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup of water. Oh, you're gonna break the egg. I'm gonna break the egg. Yeah.
Alright.
Not too much, kids. Don't break it too much.
That's good, Nathan.
Now stick it in. And oh, yeah.
You fail.
Yeah, that was pretty bad. That was really bad.
You didn't even get the yolk.
No.
Don't get any shells in it.
Okay, there you go. Okay, kids, actually don't break an egg like I just did. You got a shell in there.
I did.
You did?
Right.
It was like right there.
How'd you go? Okay, worst job I've ever done at doing an egg. I'm just gonna put that out there. I gotta show it so the camera can see.
Alright. Show it.
See that yolk?
Alright.
Okay, now you mix it, right? Probably.
Wait, no, not yet.
Wait, Brennan, point it down.
1 tablespoon of vegetable oil.
Where's vegetable oil? Oh. Wait, I want to mix it though. You have to mix it.
Here, for now, I'll put this over here. Put the bowl over here. No, don't mix it yet.
Go for it. Okay, we need how much of a cup? Vegetable oil?
Alright, what does it say?
1 tablespoon. Oh, we need a tablespoon. Oh wow, we have a tablespoon. No, it's a half a tablespoon.
It's a tablespoon.
Oh. No, this is 1 tablespoon.
I mean teaspoon. Wait, tablespoon or teaspoon?
Table.
Oh, tablespoon.
Oh.
Come on.
Baby's done eating.
Yeah. Alright, stop.
Hey, Ben.
Tablespoon of vegetable oil.
And now 1/4 cup of water. Oh, where's the water?
1/4
It's water.
water, okay?
Oh, just that kind of water?
No, in here. It's 1/4.
The whole thing?
Yeah, it's 1/4. And it should look like somebody peed in a bowl. Just like that. Good. Oh, yeah! Woo!
Add a tablespoon in.
Alright. Now what?
Now mix them with a spoon. Get a spoon. No, fork's fine.
There, I got it. I'm the best, watch. Stop.
Let's stir it together.
I'm gonna grab my hand, Nathan. And it should start looking like a throw-up kind of liquid. I think that's supposed to look. In 7 minutes and 15 seconds, God. You really know yourself, very well. Oh. Beautiful. Holy crap, that's crap, bro.
Okay, now when you're done with that, place rounded tablespoon of batter onto a baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Make 12 cakes.
Wait, what does it say?
Place rounded tablespoon of batter onto a baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Make 12 cakes.
Just fill the circles because you guys got the special pan.
I gotcha. Is that good? Do you think it's good?
Yeah, it looks perfect.
Hold on. I think I can't have like any lumps in it. Mom, is it supposed to have lumps in it?
No.
Oh yeah, that's what we're here for a while. Want to turn Nathan?
Yes.
Just stir it. She's in that spot.
Doesn't matter if we have lumps in it.
Yeah, you're right. Come on. Ready?
Try to get as many as we can.
We did.
I feel like I was using the mixer.
Are you serious? You made us go through all that when we have a mixer right there. Right there, okay, literally. Mom, sometimes I really don't like you.
Wipe your shoes off on that one.
Alright, so what are we supposed to do? Just put them in?
Just put it in there. Wait, 2 inches apart, 2 inches apart.
We don't need to put the
Yeah, pretty much put it in there.
Mom, fill the whole circle, right? Yeah.
Not to the tippy top, but.
No, that's what Brennan. That's good enough. Because it's gonna fill.
I know, it's gonna freaking rise, dude. It's gonna be awesome. Boring, man.
Make your mark on the dance floor. Brennan, the oven's been preheated at 350 for a while.
I know, it stays at 350 though. It doesn't
Yeah, I know. I know how to work
change
on oven, right?
temps.
And while Brennan's making that, look at a random tactic.
It's mine.
Bake oh, you diggity do.
Here,
get me a spoon. I just use my finger because I clean my hands, so. Yeah, then never mind. I choose a finger.
Ew.
I clean
Oh,
my
I thought you
hands.
were gonna mix it with your finger.
No.
I was like, ew. Yeah,
It's
it's
kind of
disgusting.
nasty. I'm just doing this. It's really annoying doing that thing. Yeah.
I'm gonna take a video of different angles. It's like,
Sounded fun. Nathan, you wanna go grab a spoon? Help me.
Nathan's point of view, did you?
Oh,
This one?
Yeah.
Nathan's getting last spoon.
this is gonna take a while.
Look at the spoon. Look at the spoon. Look at this spoon. Look at the. Oh my god. Okay.
Look at this spoon.
Okay.
Like Smash. Shut up! However, I do that. Pisses me off.
That's why I got you a spoon.
That's why you're supposed to be using the spoon.
Oh.
That's why I told you to get a spoon.
Okay, move.
Move what? Here, I'll put the thing in there and then you flatten it, okay?
That's what I was. That's what I put. Just. Ew, it looks like crap.
I know.
Oh yeah, double crap. I can't do.
Nathan, please look what I just made. Please look what I just made. Come here, what is that?
Okay, put in there. Come on. I get to lick the spoon when we're done.
I have to lick the fork.
Okay. Guess we have an agreement coming here.
No, put in this one.
Why? This one's.
I
Okay.
know, I'm gonna use more. I have to put more in.
If this drop right now, how pissed would you be? I think you should move it in a little more because it kind of looks like it's falling. Huh?
Nothing would fall out. That's why we have Pam.
Pam?
Pam! Guy!
Pam the magic chicken.
No.
Yes.
Just Pam.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Just Pam.
Blueberries. Blue.
How are we supposed to get this out, like, that much?
Cheese Nips McGee.
Oh. That's how. Just consider it. It's been going on for 13 minutes.
That is wonderful.
We must know each other really well, huh?
Crap. Brennan. I need a lot more on this.
I know. Yeah, me too. Are you sure you used all the mix?
Now, remember I told you not all of it's coming out, and you're like, okay, it's fine.
No, but like, how much was not coming out?
No, just a little.
Oh, okay. You said it was a lot.
No, I didn't.
Did you? Like, there's a lot in here that was not coming out.
Yeah, but then most of it came out.
Tell me that.
Hmm?
You didn't tell me that.
Girlfriend, you crazy. We have 3 more to go. Oh yeah, diarrhea spoon.
So I just dropped something and put it out.
Make it Mike, and a retard. Yeah, Brennan, definitely enough. Oh. Make your poop on the dashboard.
There's nothing in here.